Hello, darlings. It's Thursday here. I'm feeling a lot better from. No, that was my dog. That was a dog next door. I come out here. If my husband goes out in the garden, they just bark all the time. Anyway, I am feeling so much better, and I am slowly recovering, and yeah, getting there. I don't know why my husband is deadheading, but also taking off the flowers off the roses. It's very weird. You literally only cut the dead heads off. He's pruning it rather than deadheading. Anyway, I have got a big parcel of goodies from Vinted for my junk journaling, so I'm going to unbox that because it was a bit of a mystery. That she did show some of the things in there, and I know I've got some more black and white imagery magazines. Oh, look. Look at that. Yes. Oh, I have to keep this paper. I don't even know what this is. Kind of weird paper. It's like a napkin, essentially. Look, that's so cute. I have no idea how I'm going to use that paper, but it's so cute. It's like a big... Oh, it's a paper tablecloth. Okay. That means I've got some lovely decoupage to go there. Put that. I'm not going to have a good flick through these because I am going to do a flip through. But I wanted these for my printing. My jelly prints, see if anything would come out. But a very quick flip. Some nice images there. I did not. Ooh, these are nice. I'm not sure that would come out though. Vanity Fair. When are these from? March 26th. That's not that old actually. She just gets them. 26. Might as well sell them off again. Bizarre art and craft. Dump. Oh, I was hoping there'd be a free sample. There is. Ooh. Yeah. Jolly good show. On the floor. And this is the one I would want to flip through properly. Some lovely tissue paper. Which you know me, I will reuse this. But these are my goodies that I wanted. Oh, I don't have daughter. Cute. Some old sheet music. I haven't got a great deal this old actually now, so mine's much more modern. That's quite old because it's acidic on my fingers. Wonderful. Ah, here we go. Look. That is lovely. I'm wondering if she's actually taken books apart, which would be sad for me, I think. It all looks like it has been a book that's just been... This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I have to do a flower fairies one, don't I? Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is gorgeous. Yeah, I have to do a fairy one. some lovely images there. It was Tunbridge Wells. Oh, that's so funny. Tunbridge Wells is down the road from me. Do you know, I've never done a junk journal that way. It's always been that way. Lots of images here. Isn't that gorgeous? Ooh. I definitely have to do another garden journal. I've already got a garden journal lined up. Flower fairies and a garden. That is lovely. It's not like my flower fairy one. I've got flower fairies and it's completely different. And mine's from 1982, I think. This is nice. I think it's nice to put, you know, the images when you're celebrating the changing seasons. These are called airy houses, I think, possibly, or it could be weatherboarded. An airy house was non-concrete, was a concrete construction from the 40s, but this actually looks like it's a bit older. So I think it's probably more that. Looking at it deeply. I'm actually wondering if I might come across. That's gorgeous. Yeah. This looks very much like a book I've got. Just seeing if I've got any of these. No. These ones? Nope. I think I have that one, Paul's Lemon Pillar. Pretty sure I do actually. Oh, it's more roses. Possibly Madame Hardy as well. Lots. Or peonies. That's a tree peony, I believe. Ooh. Oh, these are different to what I normally get. Oh my. Yeah. Okay. Oh, look, and they're printouts too. Oh, I think it was his hair was trying. I do this sometimes. Oh, super cute. That'd make a nice background. Sweet peas. I've had Painted Lady. Hollyhocks, and I've got this one. And we have wild ones growing around here. I wonder if that was what we had growing wild along the field actually. Some more, nope. This is old. That's very fragile. Oh. Hi tiddly hi. Hi tiddly hi. Ah, look at that. She's gorgeous. Postcardy things. The only thing there is if I cut, oh no, I might have to scan them if there's anything particular I wanted on the other side. So I'm gonna have to remember to do that. Oh, we've been there. I've been there. Not actually inside, obviously. I had a look to go inside for the evening. I think it was just 400 and something pounds. It was quite expensive. Oh, she's nice. Yeah, like here, I'd probably want to use both of those. So I'd have to scan this, and that would be for personal use, obviously, but... Oh, look. Oh, and she always does this as well. She puts in bits that are like, I don't think I could really sell these, but, you know. Although, I do think she does sell them, so... Isn't that gorgeous? See, she's so sweet. Little bits and scraps and... Oh, it's that nice one. Ooh, that's fun. Oh, fabric shoes. I like this. Shoot there. Too sure about that, but oh, I see. It's probably because these bits here look quite cute. Some stamps. Beautiful. Ooh, bugs. Nursery rhymes. A hotel. I don't know. This is nice. I like that. That could be a big sewing one, obviously. Okay, and a history of photographs. I love that. I think I paid with the magazines £17, I think, with postage, obviously, and that's really heavy. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this lot. I've got lots of new ideas. It's always worth having a look on Vinted and eBay for ephemera. You can get, or just type in junk journaling pages and it'll come up. Anyway, that is it for me today. I am not doing a great deal at the moment, obviously, but I am doing some unboxing, a bit of tidying and a little bit of crafting. Not too much. So I will be back hopefully next week with a few more videos, and I will look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great week. Bye.